What's up, guys? It's your man Jaden B. He's back for another video. Today is Monday, September 14th, 2020. It's been about 5 months since I started my journey into long-term dividend investing, and it's crazy where we've gone. Well, guess what? Today, mission accomplished. I did my yearly goal, and it's only September. That means I have about 3 more months to keep on compiling more into this. My goal, as I've said, was this year. It was to hit the net cash flow of 6,900, and I did it in September, believe it or not. It's crazy. And what happened was the reason why I did it so fast was due to the fact that I was putting more than 100 a week. There was times where I put I was putting deposits of 1,000, and that's why I moved so fast due to that happening, moving me up a lot of weeks. But this is great because now this can advance me to a higher level and move quicker and reach my goal quicker. Short-term goals to reach your long-term goals, what you got to do. You got to put baby steps little by little. You're going to push yourself to do more and more and more. But anyways, let's get to the topic. Let's see what I bought for the week. Let's see my weekly portfolio, and let's see what I did. So, let's go over to my dividend tracker. Again, my goal is to eventually have so much dividends payouts that it's paying for my bills, my house bills. And at the moment, like I said, this portfolio value thing is not correct because it says that Apple still is glitched out pretty much since they had the stock split. My average cost is $381.51, and so it's saying I'm down, but in reality I'm not. The actual share price, my average share price for Apple is $95.38, as you can see. So that's the reason why that's messed up over here. But what is correct is my annual income is at $259 at the moment. My goal is to get that to like 30K. Sounds crazy, but compound interest does work its magic, believe it or not. The way I'm going, I'm 4 months in and I'm already at such a high number. So my current value of my portfolio is $7,788.95. Right now I'm at about a 19% gain. 90% return, and I have $76 in dividend income. In just what started in April 3 or September 9, and that's 6 months. 6 months of investing, and look where I'm at. This is crazy. I'm only 19. Imagine at the age of 25, 30, like I'm a millionaire. So call me crazy, but I'm gonna be a millionaire. I called it. Hard work pays off. So let me stop talking and let me get to what I've done for this week. What did I invest in? As you can see, I only did one buy this week. Yes, one buy. And what buy was it into? It was into O. O is a dividend aristocrat. They're very, very solid. They're very, very solid company, I would say, to get into. They're a real estate. They own real estate of big places, and they're solid. During this whole crisis that happened, they were able to stay firm and still pay out their dividends, which shows a lot in them. So I see them in my future. They pay monthly dividends, which is what I love about them. That's going to help me compound and grow my account and grow my portfolio. I mean to say a lot more. So I invested in $104.50. Their average share price is $64.10 when I bought this, and that gave me a quantity of 1.63 of a share. So I got one share and a little bit more. So let's edit this out. So it's number one in my slices. Like I own the most out of that. It takes up about 27.8 of my portfolio percentage wise. So let's go to O. Let's see the difference it made. So now, instead of getting 259 at annual income, that's an estimation, but it's a pretty solid estimation. Let me go to O and let's edit out what it's supposed to be now. So my number of shares I have now is 33.209. 33.2209, and cost per share is $55.97. $55.97. As you can see, I had a very good entering point with O. So the fact that I entered in April was when it had the SP 500 had a huge drop, and that's when I entered, and it was perfect. At entering the market when it's at a crash, I see it as gold. I see it's a golden move because I'm a long-term investor. So when something crashes in the long term, that's gonna rebound like it's gonna go crazy. Look at now, the SP 500 is at an all-time high. Well, it was at an all-time high last week, and when I joined, it was at like an all-time low for like the past 10 years. Like it was crazy. But yeah. So my cost per share is $55.97, right? Let me make sure. Yep, that's good. And that's the number of shares I have. And let's press edit. And there you see. Now, because of that one investment I made, now I get another $4 at an annual income. So now my annual income is up to $263. So that's good on my side. I like it. I'll take it. That's what I did this week. I only did one buy. So, but it was a very good buy. As you can see, always very stable. It pays monthly dividends. It's been paying them. I've been buying companies. Well, I've been investing into these certain companies based on their ex-dividend dates, because I am a dividend investor, so that's what I look for. But I have a couple of new things I want to put out there eventually. I've been thinking of adding something to my portfolio and taking some out maybe, but I'm not too sure yet. I might even put a poll and I could see what you guys think about. You guys vote, see what you know, see what do you think about it. Personally, I like my portfolio. If you have any advice or things or opinions about my portfolio, lay that out in the comment section below, please. I want to know what you guys think. If you don't think it's good, keep it positive. If you think it's good, let me know why. Give me some. I just want advice. I'm always here to learn. I'm an open-minded person. You know what I mean? But personally, I like my portfolio. There's a couple things I want to change. How Wells Fargo they shortened their dividends. That hurt me. I took out a couple, but Wells Fargo is a very good dividend payout when it was paying good. Hopefully sometime they can rebound and gain back up. But I have some companies I would like to add. Right now they're all paying the dividends. The thing is that they pay quarterly. I feel like monthly payout dividends are so much better, but at the same time, they're not so stable. They're not 100% stable like O and NRK. Like I can live with those, but there's some that aren't. So maybe I should do my research and add more monthly dividend payers into my portfolio. But yeah, that's today's video. As you can see, my earned dividends moved up a lot compared to last week. Last week was at $59 and now it's at 76. I wish the track your dividends fixed this up. This is what's messing up my portfolio, but it's been pretty good, pretty solid 6 months. Only seeing green. It's pretty good. But that's that for this week's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. And if you have any comments or whatsoever on my video, please let me know what you think. What should I do next? Good moves. And stay tuned for next week. Next week I will be announcing my next milestone to accomplish. My next milestone to accomplish is it's gonna sound crazy, but it's possible. If I was able to do this in 6 months, imagine what I can do by 1 year. So I believe in myself. I can do it. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and your man Jaden B is out.